Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are reviewing the top 3 most useful Magisk modules for January 2026. If you're looking to optimize your device, get the latest features, or just push your Android experience further, you are in the right place. We have some really exciting modules to cover today, including essential updates for Android 16 users. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up on the list, we have the latest LSPosed module. This updated version brings full support for Android 16, specifically covering both QPR1 and QPR2 updates, ensuring your exposed modules keep working flawlessly on the latest firmware. Next, we have the Google Pixel 10 Pro prop file. As the name suggests, this will spoof your device identity to the Google Pixel 10 Pro, unlocking specific Pixel-exclusive features and passing certification checks. And finally, we have Universal GMS Doze, a must-have for battery life enthusiasts that optimizes Google Play services to reduce background drain. Now, let's get into the installation process for all three. We are going to start with LSPosed. A crucial note here, LSPosed relies on Zygisk. If you are using Magisk, make sure you head into your settings and enable the inbuilt Zygisk toggle first. However, if you are running KernelSU, you will need to flash the separate Zygisk Next module before installing LSPosed. Once that is sorted, simply flash the LSPosed zip file. Next, we are moving on to the Google Pixel 10 Pro prop file. This installation is a bit interactive. Once you flash the module, you will see a terminal interface asking you to confirm your device spoofing choices. You will need to use your volume up and down buttons to navigate the yes or no options. Select yes to confirm the Pixel 10 Pro spoof, and then verify your selection to finish the setup. Finally, we'll flash the Universal GMS Doze module. This one is straightforward. Just flash it like a standard module, and it will automatically patch your Google Play services for better battery optimization. With all 3 modules flashed, it's time to reboot the phone to apply the changes. Go ahead and hit that reboot button, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, we are back. Let's unlock the device and head straight into the Magisk app. If we go to the Modules tab, you can see all 3 modules are installed and active. LSPosed is running, the Pixel 10 Pro prop file is loaded, and Universal GMS Doze is ready to save that battery. Everything looks solid here, so let's check if they're actually working. Let's check out the LSPosed Manager. I'm going to pull down the notification shade and open the interface. As you can see, the UI is fully accessible, the daemon is running, and it is successfully hooked into the system. This confirms that the Android 16 support is working perfectly, and you can now start enabling your favorite repositories without any crashes or compatibility issues. Now for the spoofing test. Let's head into the system settings and go to the About Phone section. And there it is. The device is now officially recognized as the Google Pixel 10 Pro. This is exactly what we wanted. This spoof not only changes the name here, but can also help with unlocking higher graphics settings in games and enabling specific Google Photos features restricted to Pixel devices. So that wraps up our review of the top 3 useful Magisk modules for January 2026. These tools are essential for keeping your rooted device powerful and up to date. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more rooting tutorials and module reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.